The International Criminal Court has set the confirmation of charges hearing in the case against former President Rodrigo Duterte next week. According to the ICC, the pretrial hearing is scheduled from February 23 to 27 before Pretrial Chamber 1, where Duterte is suspected of crimes against humanity, including murder and attempted murder linked to the war on drugs between 2011 and 2019. 3 judges will preside over the 4-day hearing, where the prosecution, defense, and lawyers of the victims will present their arguments. The ICC clarified that this is not yet a trial, but a pre-trial process to determine if there is enough evidence for the case to proceed.
This hearing is not a trial. I have to stress that this is a pre-trial hearing. So at this stage, the judges will not decide on Mr. Duterte's innocence or guilt. Instead, the judges will decide whether there's enough evidence against Mr. Duterte for the case to go to trial. They have up to 60 days to review the evidence and make their decision.
Meanwhile, some victims and their supporters have reported receiving threats from Duterte supporters abroad. They also expect online attacks and trolling in the coming days as a confirmation of charges hearing nears. More than 500 victims are set to participate in the pre-trial process through their legal representatives.
Ganong threat na paatrasin o patahimikin yung mga biktima. Sa kabilang banda, kapag pumunta doon, syempre hindi na rin namin alam yung emosyon ng mga tao, pero nakakakuha kami ng sentimiento na hindi welcome ang mga biktima, hindi welcome ang mga abogado ng biktima sa The Hague. Lalo na sa mga lugar na idineklara na nila na Duterte Street, Duterte Park, na parang hindi daw yon, hindi welcome ang mga quote-unquote, akala nila sinasabi nilang anti-Duterte.